In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block time in your Outlook calendar so no one can book meetings over your personal time, leave, or focused work hours. This is perfect for blocking vacations, annual leave, winter breaks, or even deep work sessions, so your schedule stays protected. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook on your computer. This works for both the desktop app and Outlook connected to a Microsoft account. Once Outlook is open, look to the navigation pane on the left-hand side and click on the calendar icon. This will switch your view from emails to your calendar so you can see your schedule. Next, find the day and time you want to block off. You can scroll through your calendar or switch between day, week, or month view depending on what's easier for you. Once you've found the correct date and time, double-click directly on that spot in the calendar. This opens a new calendar event window. Now in the subject field at the top, type a title for your blocked time. This could be something like winter break, annual leave, focus time, or personal appointment. Don't worry about others seeing this text. By default, the subject is only visible to you unless you choose to share more details. After that, specify the date range for the time you want to block. Adjust the start time and end time boxes to match exactly when you'll be unavailable. If you're blocking multiple days, simply change the end date to cover the full range, such as an entire week or longer vacation. Next, look for the Show As option in the menu. Click the drop-down list and choose how you want this time to appear to others. Selecting Out of Office is ideal for vacations or leave, while Busy works well for meetings or focused work time. This step is important because it tells Outlook and your coworkers that you're not available during this period. Once everything looks good, do a quick review to make sure that dates, times, and status are correct. When you're ready, click Save and Close. That's it. Your time is now blocked on your Outlook calendar, and no one can schedule over it. You can repeat these steps anytime you need to block future time, whether it's for personal reasons, work-life balance, or productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Outlook tips and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.